In this video, we will talk about how to find stagnation point. So, for example, this is a numerical example. A steady two-dimensional velocity field. On a steady two-dimensional velocity field, here we are going to find the stagnation point of this velocity field. Now, here given a steady incompressible 2D velocity field is given by here v is equals to u comma v, that is in Cartesian coordinate it is represented as zero point 0.5 plus 0.8 x I cap plus 1.5 minus 0.8 y j. So where the x and y coordinate are in meter and the magnitude of velocity is in meter per second. Determine if there is any stagnation point in this flow field, and if so, where. So now if there is an stagnation point, find where. The question tells us to find out the stagnation point. So before go to the solution, I would like to say you one thing, that what is stagnation point. Stagnation point for this velocity field, the stagnation field is the stagnation field is defined as, the stagnation point is defined as for this particular velocity field as a point in the flow field where the velocity is 0. So since now go to the answer. Now we have to find out the stagnation point. If there is an stagnation point, where we have to find out these coordinates in xy form. So the flow is steady. So now since vector v is a vector, all its component must be equal. All its component must be equal 0 in order for v bar itself to be 0. So now we have given that here is an velocity field. I already show you in my before 1 minute before. So now we are writing here, what is this, u comma v is equals to 0.5 plus 0.8 x I plus 1.5 minus 0.8 y j cap. So now to get the stagnation point, the v vector is itself to be 0. So to v vector itself to be 0, we have to make this u component 0, this v also 0. So now u is equals to 0.5 plus 0.8 x. So for the stagnation point, this should be equal to 0 plus 0.8 x is equals to 0. Now 0.8 x is equals to minus 0.5, x is equals to minus 0.5 upon 0.8. So it will yield the result of or now it will give us result 0.5, 0.8, 0.8. It will give me the result of is equals to 0.625 in minus. Okay, this is the in meter. So now for the y, for the v is equals to 1.5 minus 0.8y. So we have to equal it with 0. 0.8y to find stagnation point is equals to 0. Minus 0.8y is equals to minus 1.5, minus minus it will be plus. So now 1.5 divided by 0.8, it will give the result of 1.5 by 0.8, it will give me the result of 1.875 meter. So it means or it means therefore the stagnation point, there is an stagnation point, and the stagnation point is at x comma y is equals to where? Minus 0.625 comma 1.8755. Thank you. If you like my video, please do subscribe. Thank you all.